time for me to say goodbye to the red Genesis. It was a loaner vehicle, taking it back to the dealership and picking it back my gray V6 twin turbo Genesis. To be honest, I'm already missing it. It was a fun little car. The red color really brought up the mood during those I don't know, hard, weird times. Yeah. Hopefully they'll be able to fix everything that they were supposed to. There were some problems. The driver's door was hanging a bit lower than the passenger door, the front doors, and I have pictures. I'll probably include them here. But I'm gonna make this. Yeah, the 360 camera was glitching. The left camera, I'll show you how here. Oh, this one doesn't have the 360 camera. Yeah, it was showing blue for one side for the left camera. Hopefully they were able to fix it, maybe not.
We'll see. And well, the oil change needed to be done. I'm pretty sure they did that. I said that the sunroof was kind of making squeaky noise during driving, especially when it's cold. I don't know if they can do anything about that, but we'll find out. So stay tuned and we'll see what are the results of this.
We'll see. And well, the oil change needed to be done. I'm pretty sure they did that. I said that the sunroof was kind of making squeaky noise during driving, especially when it's cold. I don't know if they can do anything about that, but we'll find out. So stay tuned and we'll see what are the results of the second service at Genesis. Of a 2-liter Genesis that only the 2-liter has is the start stop, which can be disabled here. Right now it didn't activate because I didn't drive long enough. Probably needs a certain amount of voltage or current to be at a specific place to be able to stop the engine and then start once you let go of the brake pedal, or if you click the auto hold, which holds the brake. Oh, and it's time for us to go. Yeah, so only the 2-liter Genesis has the engine start stop, I would say. So when you stop, the engine stops, and then when you start driving, the engine starts again. Obviously the V6 would be a big engine to always crank while you're driving. You would need way more power for that, so that's why V6 doesn't have it, and thank God, because it does put some stress on the engine. Yeah, but the 2-liter, yeah, does it. So you're standing at the light, you're not using any gas, and then just using up the battery power to start up back the engine, and off you go. Yeah, I don't know, neat feature. What do you guys think? You like the feature? You like to save up on some gas, or you don't like it, you hate it? You would much rather have a regular engine idling while you're standing? Let me know right up in the comments below. I personally don't like it. Yeah, I try to turn it off when I'm driving, because you're kind of standing, like the light turns green, or I don't know, you need to go, but then you're waiting for the engine to start, and yeah, hopefully it will work now. I drove for a little bit, we'll see if it engages now. It needs to light up green there as an A and like a circle with an arrow around it. Let's see. No, it was off. So now it's off. Let's see. Oh my goodness. did turn it off when I was showing how you can turn it off. Dangerous driving, my friend. Okay, so hopefully we're gonna come up to the next stop and I'll be able to show the engine turn off and engine turn on system that this Genesis has. I like the fact that this is the 2-liter version, but I think it's probably the highest trim you can get on a 2-liter Genesis. It has the Lexicon sound system, has the, what else would it have? Has ventilated seats, heated obviously too. Doesn't have the 360 camera. Still no red light. When you need a red light, it's never there. When you don't want it, it's always there. No, it's actually right here. And let's see how the engine stop system will engage. So we just come to a complete stop. And it's still off. Wow. Yeah, I've been driving and this has been always working, and only for right now, for some reason it decided not to work. It smells like asphalt. Well, I'll be back for when it's the next stop. So now you should be able to see the engagement of the turn off engine. Still no, and it's showing orange. Still doesn't have enough, whatever it is, for it to work. Maybe the engine is still warming up. It would be funny if I won't be able to show it, but we'll be hopeful. Funny enough, when I turned off the camera, it worked right away. So right now the engine is off, car is on, key is on, and you can see the green A with a circle with an arrow around it. And once I'm gonna, and because it's an auto hold, you can release the brake, like I'm not touching the brake pedal as you can see. And once I'm going to press the acceleration, it's gonna turn on, just like so, and we can continue driving. Pretty neat. So again, let me know what you think about this feature. Do you like the engine start stop when you're coming to a stop, or no? Okay, back in my car, as you can judge by the black Alcantara roof. I like the fact that they wrapped the steering wheel. They test drove it and they said they fixed everything. The 360 camera should be all nice and working, nice and sharp. It is perfect. And another problem was that the leather from here was coming off, so they ordered a whole new whatever, I don't know how far that part went, and they replaced it, so it's all new now and it's not cropped. Amazing. And they said they adjusted the door as well, and they lubricated the sunroof so it wouldn't be squeaking. Very good. Well, let's drive and see now.